Hi, this is Anna Frankie at BMW of Northwest Arkansas. I'm one of the resident product geniuses here in the store. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a phone with Bluetooth in our 2018 X1. Um, I'm using an iPhone 6S and we'll just get started. So to start with, you'll want to be in your settings on the phone and you'll want to get into the Bluetooth settings. And on your vehicle, you'll want to go into either communications. You can find it in a couple places, but this is probably the easiest. But what you want to see is manage mobile devices, and connect new device is where you want to start. Once you select what you're connecting, telephone, or if you wanted to just do for Bluetooth audio for any mobile device, you can do that as well. We're going to select telephone. Once you've done that, the name of your vehicle will show up under other devices on the phone. You'll select it from the list, select pair on the telephone, OK on the BMW, and it may take a little bit of time for this part to connect. It'll ask you a couple questions on your phone, such as, do you want to sync your contacts, which I would allow, and beyond that, you are connected. That's it.